Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tools.
Today, we're diving into the world of bathroom accessories with the Luxo shower mirror, hailed as the best suction shower mirror on the market.
Whether you're a morning multitasker or simply value a clear view while grooming, the Luxo shower mirror promises to elevate your daily routine with its innovative features. First up, let's talk about its anti-fog coating. Designed to withstand the steamiest showers, this mirror ensures crystal clear visibility for a hassle-free shaving experience every time. Installation is a breeze thanks to its powerful suction cup. No tools needed, simply twist and lock onto any smooth, non-porous surface. It's secure, sturdy, and leaves no mess behind. What sets the Luxo shower mirror apart is its adjustable tilt. The maneuverable ball joint allows you to pivot the mirror to your preferred angle, catering to your unique grooming needs with ease. And let's not forget the convenience of the removable razor holder. Keep your grooming essentials within reach and neatly organized, making it perfect for both home use and travel. With an impressive rating and rave reviews, it's no surprise why this mirror is a fan favorite. It's lightweight, shatterproof, and makes for an ideal gift for anyone who values functionality and style in their bathroom. Whether you're treating yourself or someone special, the Luxo shower mirror is your go-to choice for a fog-free, hassle-free grooming experience. That wraps up today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product insights and reviews. Until next time on Product Critique, stay tuned and stay informed. Thanks for watching.